How to use AI avatars in Fliki. Log in or sign up at Fliki AI. Select Files option from the top panel. Click on New File button. Select the language and dialect. Next, write the name of the file, select the desired aspect ratio, and hit Submit. This brings you to the script-based editor. First, click on the voice name to select a different voice. Filter by language, dialect, gender. Hit the speaker icon to play a sample of the voice. Once satisfied, click on the voice and hit Select. Now, let's paste the script for the video. Fliki will automatically pick relevant media based on the script. Next, to add an AI avatar to the scene, click Add Layer, then Avatar. An avatar layer will be added. Click on the avatar icon to open the avatar selection pop-up. Here, you can pick from a rich collection of stock avatars. Hover over the avatar to see how it interacts. You can filter the avatars by gender as well. You can also upload your own image on the My Avatar tab to create a custom avatar. Alternatively, you can click on the Generate Avatar tab and create a personalized avatar for your video based on a simple text prompt. Once it's generated, you can either use it as your avatar by clicking Use this art, or click Regenerate to create a new avatar. For now, let's go to the Stock Avatar tab and pick a stock avatar. The selected avatar will be added to the video. In the right customization panel, you can customize the position and size of the avatar. Then you can customize whether the avatar should be full body or close-up. You can also customize the transparency settings of the avatar. You can also add animation to the avatar. Click the drop-down menu and select from a range of fade, zoom, slide, and rotate effects. Before generating your avatar video, take a moment to preview and confirm your satisfaction with the voiceover and script. If everything meets your expectations, then only click Generate Avatar Video, as generating avatar video incurs credits. Next, accept the confirmation to generate your talking avatar. You can preview the scene by clicking the play icon beside the scene's name. Finally, click Download, then start export to download your video in MP4 format. This video was created using Fliki with the voice of Kai.